Hello everyone! Ngayon ko lang tumapos yung video namin sa kasal ng buo. Music sana ilalagay ko kaso makapiright tayo kaya message na lang. Happy 1 year anniversary, mahal. Thank you for being the best partner I could even ask for. I just want you to know that I am lucky to have you in my life. You are someone and I love the most, and I promise to stay with you forever. May the love we have for each other continue to blossom and grow, wishing you endless love. Uy.
My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
Stop first. Happiness and joy on this special day. It's our first anniversary. No messages can express how much I love you. I'm so happy and grateful for having you as my hubby. You have brought a lot of happiness and joy to my heart. You are my best friend, my happiness, my joy, and my enemies.
You're every breath that I take. You're every step I make.
Today is a very special day that is engraved in my memory because it is the day we starting our relationship. Meeting you is the best thing that has happened to me. From the start of our relationship, you have proved you are the love I always waited for. Your smile is the end to cheers my days. I can't imagine my life without you. I think I would not care about anything because you make me want to be better. Always take care of your work and always look younger. Happy first anniversary. I love you.
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
Thank you for all your support, brothers and sisters.
My